Soundcloud allows you to search for and download sound content. You can also upload your own sound files, and you can share SoundCloud files with friends, followers on blog posts and other social media platforms. To use SoundCloud, you need to create an account by clicking here. Or if you already have an account, just sign in, and you will be taken to your home page. Then click up here, top right, and select Profile. And from here you can update your profile page, add an image and upload a header image. On your profile page you will see these headings of tracks, albums, playlists and reposts. And whatever you upload or download to these sections will be visible to your followers. And over here you can see your number of followers, who you are following, and the number of tracks you have uploaded. If you want to upload a track to your page, just click on Tracks, and then click on the upload link in the middle here to locate the file that you want to upload from your computer. If you want to find sound files on SoundCloud, come up to the search bar up here and type in the type of files that you are looking for. For example, royalty-free music download. And here is our list of royalty-free music. So let's have a look at this result here from Audio Jungle. Click on it, and this gives a list of royalty-free tracks available on SoundCloud from Audio Jungle. Then to download a track, click on the download link here, and your file will start to download.